you're going to need a blender for this. Put in 1 cup of pineapple chunks and 1 cup of mango chunks. Then add 1 cup of coconut milk, the juice of 1 lime, and the zest of that very lime. Blend. Now get about half a dozen fresh raspberries. Now we just want to blend very quickly so it's not completely mixed through and still got little bits of chunks and stuff rather than completely blended. Now just pulse it. There we go. So we've still got chunks rather than just blending in totally. Now just pour into molds.
I love zero. I love zero. I love zero.
Just put your lids on and then put this in the freezer until it's set. Now just pop these in the freezer until they've set. Should take a couple of hours or so.